Hello, I'd like to take 2 minutes to tell you about the next wave of evolution in online meetings, presentations, and webinars. Here at Click Meeting, we think it boils down to 5 simple things. First, we believe it's all about your productivity. These days, you need to do more with less and get things done faster. If only you could be in 2 places at the same time. Meet instantly with team members, partners, and prospects hundreds, even thousands of miles away. Click Meeting lets you connect in seconds, regardless of location. It saves time and money you'd otherwise spend on travel. It really boosts your productivity. Next, we believe your business will grow faster only if your communication platform is 100% reliable and accessible. Hosted on a cloud network with great uptime, Click Meeting works flawlessly on any operating system and in any browser. No need to install software. All you need is a computer connected to the internet. We think your online meeting experience should be as close to real as possible, or better. Click Meeting lets you collaborate with desktop sharing, whiteboards, audio, video, and chat. It feels like you're meeting face-to-face, only with more control. You'll accomplish everything you do in person, and more, all without leaving your desk. We believe your online meeting room should be your own. We want you to present your company, not our brand plastered all over the screen. That's why we made Click Meeting super easy to rebrand. So add your logo and change the fonts, colors, or design till it's just the way you like it. In only about 30 seconds, your room could look like this, or even this. Seriously, we counted. Finally, we believe that online meetings should be scalable and cost-effective. That's why we offer the most affordable meetings on the market, regardless if we're 25 or 1,000 people. So, are you ready to evolve your online communications? Ready to save time and money and increase productivity while promoting your brand? Try Click Meeting for free now. Get connected and join the movement.